We are going to review top 5 best strut spring compressors. Let's get started. List number 1. OEMTOOLS MACPHERSON Strut Spring Compressor. The OEMTOOLS MACPHERSON Strut Spring Compressor Kit is our pick for the best overall strut spring compressor. This is an externally mounted kit that locks onto the coils of a spring and compresses it for easy removal. We like that this tool's construction makes spring compression a safer job. The hooks are forged steel, so they won't break or wear out easily after a few uses. Also, the threaded rods are strong and well machined, so as long as you keep them clean and well lubricated, this kit should last for a while. There are a few things to look out for when using your OEMTOOLS MACPHERSON Strut Spring Compressor. This is a light-duty kit, so it's only good for working on cars and light trucks. The detent pins may actually do too good of a job. List number 2. SHANKLY Coil Spring Compressor Tool. The SHANKLY Coil Spring Compressor is made of drop-forged enamel and has double-ended jaws and attachable security hooks for safety and control. It's designed to compress struts and other coil springs on a variety of passenger and light commercial vehicles. It has an operating capacity of 300 mm and an overall length of 300 mm. The tool comes with a 90-day guarantee. This tool is heavy, sturdy, and well made. The bottom double hook is deep, stays in place, and keeps the setup from twisting off. You can put the hooks around the top to keep it from sliding. As long as you're careful, evenly distribute the load, and grease it before use, this tool does the job. Overall, it's a good option at a low price. List number 3. BRANICK Strut Spring Compressor. While it may be overkill for most home mechanics, the BRANICK Strut Spring Compressor deserves our honorable mention spot on our list of the best strut spring compressors. The BRANICK model is the benchmark for nearly all stand-style compressors, and the quality is second to none. The BRANICK can handle nearly anything you throw at it. Aside from the heaviest duty work, the BRANICK easily compresses struts and springs by use of a corkscrew bolt and handle. The BRANICK strut compressor is also much faster when it comes to compressing springs, as it only requires one fitting to be tightened instead of alternating sides like the other compressors on our list. The BRANICK is expensive, however, and you should be aware that it may be more compressor than you need before you purchase it. List number 4. SMILELAKE 14-inch Coil Spring Compressor Strut. This strut spring compressor from SMILELAKE has drop-forged jaws that have a minimum jaw distance of 4 inches and a maximum opening of 14 inches. The jaws and lead screws are heat-treated for optimal performance, and the zinc-plated tool fits most MACPHERSON struts. This compressor is well built and strong and can compress most springs without any issues. It is big enough to work on truck springs but can also be used on compact cars. Compared to some other brands, it has a tread on the screws that's more open, which helps compress or decompress the springs. Overall, it's a good value for what it does. One downside is that it does not have any safety features. Also, it may slide a little bit more than you like. List number 5. SMILELAKE MACPHERSON Strut Spring Compressor. This kit includes one compression rod, 6 yokes, 1 adjustment hook, and 6 fixing screws. It can compress a variety of MACPHERSON-style coil springs, and you can easily change the jaws. It includes 65 to 125 mm, 88 to 160 mm, and 126 to 212 mm pairs of jaws. This tool is designed for hand ratcheting, not an impact wrench, and has been tested to withstand heavy loads with a maximum force of nearly 10,000 pounds. One of the best things about this tool is that the bolt turns very smoothly. Also, it feels very safe to use.